What's up YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Sharingan eyes or any other eye you would like, and you can put it on yourself, making you look like a utter Naruto badass. Just before we start, this was originally the One Dark Eyes video and we are updating it, so thumbs up to him and let's get straight to the tutorial.
So you're gonna let go. So I'm gonna let go now. Bring the flap to the center.
And we're back. So now we go straight into creating a new blank canvas. This is simply by clicking the plus button. Okay, we're not going to be waiting for the canvas to load. Okay, it's loaded. There'll be two things that you require at this moment: a picture of your Sharingan and a picture of yourself or anything you want to add the eye to. So I just decided I'll just Google something up and found this baby picture. This is pretty good because it's a nice straight up shot. Okay, I'm gonna add this in, and by using these things in the end, you want to make it bigger and smaller as how big you really want it. So I'm gonna make it pretty big, pretty big. So here we have our baby done. Okay, now it's loaded in. What you want to do is go on to Safari and you want to find a Sharingan. I went for this type kind of thing. Let me find it again. I went for this. I'm going to post a link in the description of this because I wanted to see different types of Sharingans and they've already been shaded appropriately already for you. So this is perfect. Onto the canvas. So what you need to do is click this button. That means the baby is still there, don't worry. It's just hidden. Okay, now we're going to import our Sharingan photo. Okay, so it's importing. You can make it any size you want as it won't matter. Right. Here comes the self-preference part. Here are these tools that you can use to crop the actual Sharingan. Preferably I would use brush selection. So how does brush selection work? This is a new tool that I only realized was there only a bit ago. But yeah, so I'm going to start using this. Right, the way you use it is by clicking plus, that's what you want, and by clicking minus, that's what you don't want. So first step, what you got to do is make sure you turn your harshness a bit down. Sorry about that. Turn the harshness a bit down so it's a lot more smooth. And don't mess with the opacity or anything like that. Just keep the size pretty small so you can make a nice circle. So what you gotta do is keep draw in like the circle, like the eye section of it. As you can see, this can take a little bit of time. So I'll be back when I'm done. Alright guys, now I'm going to show you the minus tool in action. So here I have, you can see the eye and it has it looks a bit odd, let's just say that, the outlining. So what I'm going to do, so I don't want this part to be here. So what I do is go like that, and that will make it more of a circle. And this part here. Okay, that's fine. If I really wanted to do a proper project, I would make it much more precise, but for this, it should be fine. So what you gotta do, you click this pencil up here and extract. So now you can freely move around the Sharingan as how you want. First of all, I'd tell you to just make this bigger a bit. That's pretty much it. And now comes the tricky part. It may not look very tricky, but this bit is extremely hard. So what you gotta do is align the Sharingan. Oh, oopsie daisy. Okay, remember you gotta be selected on the right layer. Alright, so what you gotta do is move the specific Sharingan and then move it to the eye. And the problem is when because the eye is so small in this picture, you gotta get it rightly aligned in the right place. And as you can see, it's very hard. You just gotta lightly click the middle, so it's gonna be pretty difficult. I'll be back when I've fully aligned this. after a while, I've got it pretty much aligned now. So I've got my Sharingan eye here, and as you can see, it's pretty much aligned properly. So now what I'd want to do is, it may not look right as an eye, so what you gotta do, you gotta click on the layer that you made the eye on, and what you gotta do is not turn the opacity down, but change the blend mode to lighten. Oh, sorry about that, great screen. Lighten, and now it much more looks like a real eye. And if you want a little bit of the original color of your eye to be seeping through, it puts an added effect on it. You can turn up and down the opacity. So I think that's fine. All right. As now you've done one Sharingan eye, you can do the same. You can using this. So now you've done one Sharingan eye using this same method. What you can do is copy and paste it over, and you do the same process of moving it over. So if you just want to know how to copy and paste it, you gotta be on the layer that the Sharingan eye is, then select pixels, then click the pencil, copy, and then paste. Alright, as you can see, the eye is here, and you can nicely align it. It's a bit more difficult. I'll try inverting it, that might help, so it might look a bit more right. Okay, I think I've got it. It looks a bit sketchy, but I think just for this newbie attempt, it's pretty good. Alright, so now you change it to lighten again, turn the opacity a bit down, and I think, oh, voila, that's it. Your Sharingan eye I've done. It looks pretty legit. So now you know how to do it. You know how to make Sharingan eyes. Like, comment, and favorite. And see you, YouTube. Bye.